I feel like that pocket should fit a phone.
The pocket's like slightly small. The pocket goes like really low.
Too low, okay.
Yeah.
I'll have you like mark it where you want it before you send it back, like put a safety pin or something.
Okay.
But
yes.
black strip, like that's cool, but maybe to your point, shifting it, the whole thing up, widening that side panel so you can actually, to the front and the back, so you can, it probably needs like a half an inch, 5/8, so that you can actually fit a phone in there. Do we move that kind of racing stripe to the bottom of the pocket or keep it where it is? That was
I like that idea because that's what you have written on here. And
yeah.
So basically, like here's the zipper right here.
Just flip it.
Flip it to where it's the bottom and then shorten the pocket.
Still have the drape, but you're saying to kind of raise up the sides so that it just drapes higher. Is that?
Yeah, so it kind of just like, instead of it, like leave it open at the top because I love the top. So when it comes in, just have it kind of go like drape a little bit tighter, I guess you'd say, over each other.
Okay. That it was just a lot of stress and tension on that point. And we know, like, when we're throwing on a hoodie, we're not doing it carefully like we are, like, a dress or something. So
I'm like, I could sleep with this fabric. I love it. I was, like, thinking in my head last night, I was like, I could do one set of, like, you know, kind of like cuff at the bottom joggers with this material.
Oh, yeah. Just to chill at home, like.